music always this loud?
I didn't even ask for music!
Yeah, that irritating music. Grok adds it by default and it ruins otherwise great videos. Now, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Grok's background music completely while keeping the sound effects intact. And that will save you a lot of time. So if you're generating videos with Grok, you already know the issue. The visuals are solid, the motion is good, but the music rarely fits the tone. Most people end up muting clips, re-exporting, or searching for sound effects. That's a faster way, but not anymore. Because I'm gonna show you how to dictate AI and make it listen. Why? Because Grok actually listens to very specific instructions to completely remove the music without breaking sound effects. And all you need is a simple line that you're gonna add to the prompt. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But what I want you to know that I've read many articles and Grok says that their music is generated by default alongside videos. And there's no workaround because it's permanent. But not anymore. Like I said, I'm going to show you a workaround to eliminate music completely and keep sound effects and even lip sync characters. When you're about to generate a video on Grok, whether you have an image that you'd like to animate or you have a text to video prompt, the trick will always work both ways. For me, I'm going to show you the same exact scene you've watched at the beginning of the video with the irritating music, and I'm going to show you another version of it without background music. I'm only going to show you the narration between both characters. Sound is clean and perfect. Now, the trick is as simple as that. All you need is to add this line at the end of the prompt. You just add open and close quotes and simply add between no background music at all or just no background music. It's as simple as that. That's all you need to do. Whether you can add this at the end of the prompt or you want to add it at the very beginning of your prompt, it works both ways, but as long as you make sure that the line goes between quotes. So now I'm going to hit generate and I'm going to show you this video in action.
This feels so much better without the music distracting me.
I can finally focus and actually hear what matters.
And by the way, this does not remove sound effects. It only removes background music. That's the difference most people miss. So if you want video clips without audio, then you might as well just mute them in your editor. So as you can see, the trick is simple. Same video, same animation, no music. It's just clean. And this means you don't waste time fixing audio later. You keep control over pacing, tone, and sound design from the start. And so this is the same mindset I talked about in my previous tutorial on the new ChatGPT image generator. Editing smarter, not harder. I showed you how to edit and transform images in seconds without using Photoshop. Different tool, same principle. And all the beautiful video clips that you're looking at right now were images that I was able to edit and transform in ChatGPT. So if you're interested in learning how to edit images in seconds and stop wasting your time using Photoshop, the link is going to show up on the top right corner right now. And it's also going to show up at the end of the video when you've completed watching it on the end screen. AI tools are very powerful, but defaults aren't workflows. Once you know where to intervene, everything gets faster and cleaner. So if you're working with AI video and want more control without extra steps, this setup is essential. And I'll keep breaking down workflows like this so you spend more time creating and less time fixing AI output. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'd be grateful if you share it with others. This way YouTube knows that you like my videos and they will keep pushing it to more people like you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.